he is, Captain Standish, the Great Horned One. Old as the stones, gentle as the river.
By heaven, a beast from the world's first morning.
See reptilian monsters locked into the death battle. Came from the woods. 50 tons of feathered fury. Great heavens! Run! Get inside! I'll stop the beast! It only made it mad.
From the edge of history to the dawn of tomorrow, brave pilgrims and proud warriors battle beasts beyond imagination. But what happens when the saucer beings use their time ray to blast?
It's Mayflower Mayhem as the Stone Age and the Space Age meet the Colonial Era.
Thanksgiving, when pilgrims and warriors were ready to feast, the sky cracked open. Now, muskets and tomahawks will stand against teeth, claws, and something from beyond the stars. Feast of the unknown, coming storms with powder, warriors with courage, and monsters from beyond time itself. When the saucermen dropped in for dinner, the dinosaurs came back for seconds. See the harvest moon explode with terror.